Oke, assalamualaikum.
Di gua lah. Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
let's pray and
wabarakatuh.
thanks to our God Allah Subhanahu wa Taala who has given us all mercies and blessings, so we can attend in this life without any trouble at all. Secondly, may peace and salutation always be given to our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness to the brightness, from stupidity to cleverness, from Jahiliyah era to Islamia era until now. So today we're gonna do WTTS Weekend Tech Talk session with Reja Berliandra Putra from Indian Boarding School. We're gonna talk about VPN. It's similar with tunneling. So hello Reza Berliandra.
Oke guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me
Assalamualaikum.
just introduce myself first. My name is Reza Beranda Putra. I'm from IDN boarding school, especially at 11 TKJ grade. And for this vocational today in WTTS with the MC Ardi, I would like to explain to you guys a little things about VPNs. Okay, so what the meaning of VPN? Before I want to um, do a practice with VPN, I would like to introduce to you guys what's the meaning of the VPN, what's the basic the concept of the VPN, what the function of the VPN. The first is the meaning of the VPN. As computer network continue to evolve and the demand for remote connective increase, data security has become a highly critical aspect. Many organizations utilize public networks such as the Internet to connect branch office, remote employees, and business partners. However, the use of public network introduces significant security risks. To address this challenge, virtual private network or VPN technology is widely implemented. A VPN is a mechanism that enables private network communication over a public network by creating a secure virtual tunnel. Logically, a VPN allows a public network to behave as if it were a private network, ensuring that data can be transmitted securely without the need to build the dedicated physical infrastructure. So that's the little things of VPN. Then after that, um, what the basic of what the basic of VPN concept of VPN is it the meaning of a VPN operate by utilizing the concept of tunneling and encryption. Data transmitted from the secure network is encapsulated and encrypted before traversing the public network. Once it reaches the destination, the data is decrypted and forwarded to target network. Through this machine, a VPN is able to ensure data confidentiality, sender authentication, and data integrity. This concept enables organizations to use the internet as their primary communication medium without compromising network security. So that's the basic concept of VPN. It is the machine through this machine of VPN, whereas say before it is the data confidently, sender authentication, and data integrity. Is it a communication medium with compressing network security for make your a security for your privacy or your laptop, your and then the next after I explain it about the basic concept of VPN, I'd like to the last my explain to you guys before we do a practice about VPN. It is a function and role of VPN in network. VPN are not only used for security purposes but also play a significant role in improving network efficiency and flexibility. By using VPN technology, organizations can extend their internal network without the need to deploy additional physical communication links. Some of the primary functions of a VPN include securely connecting headquarters and branch office. And then second is providing internal network access for remote user. And then the third is reducing operational costs of one infrastructure. Then the fourth is maintaining privacy and security of data communication. Due to this advantage, VPN has become a standard solution in modern enterprise networking. So, guys, that's the meaning, little things of VPN. I'll to introduce to you guys, and then we just go to our configuration. This VPN is maybe have a same configuration with tunnel grid. And then before that, I like to introduce first what the meaning of tunnel grid. In I like to introduce little thing about a tunnel in network computer. Yes. So, what is the meaning of tunnel? What is the inside of the tunnel? And then, what is a function of tunnel? Tunneling in computer network. In medium to large scale network computer, communication is often required between geographically separate networks that must be connected as if they were part of a single private path. To address this requirement, the concept of tunneling is used. Tunneling allows data packets from one network to be encapsulated and transmitted through a different network, including public networks such as the internet. Conceptually, a tunnel creates a virtual path on top of the existing physical world. This path is not directly visible to user but functions as a secure and controlled medium for data transmission. Tunneling technology serves as the foundation for many modern network solutions such as VPN, MPLS, and DMVPN. Basic concept of tunneling. Tunneling is mechanism for transmitting data packet through encapsulation, which involves wrapping the original packet inside a new packet so that it can traverse an intermediary network. The original packet may use a protocol that is not supported or is considered insecure if transmitted directly over a public network. During a tunneling process, data packets from the secure network are encapsulated with an additional header and then sent through the intermediary network. Once the packets reach the tunnel endpoint, they are decapsulated and forwarded to the destination network through this machine. Geographically separate network can communicate as if they were part of the same logical network. So that's the little things I explained about tunneling before we do configuration about tunneling. So after I explained little things of um, tunneling, may we start for talk about practical of the VPN and tunneling. Maybe I would like to just explain one configuration in here. In here, we use around um, three router in here, and then we use two PC in here. What the what we gonna do in this, guys? What we gonna do in this configuration? In this configuration, I would like to make a sum line for a PC0 to connect it to the PC1. Okay, guys. The first thing you must do in this configuration is connected the all the router and then the PC. The PC. The first we connected the okay. We use a cable in here. With the like the cable is the picture is like light, and then we connected the PC1 to the router 0, router 0 connected to router 2, router 2 router 1, and router 1 to router PC1. Okay, I like to option preference. I would like to show the our, you can see in here, guys, there is a gig 1 says 1, gig 0, and 0. Then before we start the configuration, the first thing you must do in this configuration is connected all of the PC to PC. So the meaning is you must connect it to PC to PC. PC0 must connect to the PC1. Okay, for the first configuration in router 0, this change the host name. Wait, guys. Wait. Hmm. Okay. Just you cannot see the configuration. The first is give the name. The first after you enter the router 0, you must enter to read enable configuration terminal and then host name with router A. Wait, guys. Router A. After that, interface. After that, after you enter the name, you wait, guys. I will show a screen that can you guys can see it. Okay. In here, there is my book is explaining about the tunneling and VPN. Okay, so I'm getting hit. After we change the host name in here, in my book, I explained to connected the interface area in here. Is it like FR 0/0/1 and 0/0 is it for configuration interface range. It is the short. In my configuration, it is for FR, but in this, it is gig. So we use in here gig 0/0 until 1, and then don't forget to not shut down or make interface up. After that, enter to gig 0/0. Is it a way for goes to PC IP address to the PC is 192. Sorry, we wrote PH 168.168.1.1.1. After that, you write in here. After that, you write in here 255, 255 to 155.0. Is it we use prefix 24 for the PC, and then after that enter to the gig 1, and then the network is same, but we use IP address is 10.10.10.1. After that, after you enter the IP address, this I already configure it just one router, and then don't forget to enter in this router again. We just do the same things in here, guys. Just see whether what I want to configuration in here. Wait, guys, after enter to gig 0/0, give to the 0/1 with the IP address is 192 dot IP address 192.168.2.2 with 255.255.255.0. After that, after the enter you enter to the configuration in here. Don't forget for configuration in router in here or router 2 in our configuration. Just see what I want to config in here. I will make it fast for you guys. Now, I mean, I already give to the router IP address. After that, after give IP address to our the router in here, we just enter the um, AGRP after the that in here like this. here like this. Uh, the same configuration is it, right? We already give the host name, IP address, and then the next we give our router AGR pin here, or use uh, router AGP to all of the router. We are do our routing with routing dynamic AGRP, and then for the configuration in router 5, or the configuration is it in here in our in our tab before, is it router C, is it in, okay, so guys, is it the configuration in router 6, then this is configuration router 5 we already doing here. Give the AGRP like this, and then in router core, or in our configuration is router B, give a IGRP, and then the main point of this WTTS and explain about VPN and configuration about the tunnel grid. This is the main point of the command or the configuration. This is interface tunnel 0 with this IP address in here. This is for make some line or new line for router 6 to router 5. Or in our configuration is router A to router C without use a router B. With the IP address is 100.100.100.1 with use a prefix slash 24 with the tunnel search FR0/0, and then the destination for the IP from router B to router C is it 20.20.20.2. Then we make again a tunnel in router C in our configuration. Is it tunnel 0 same, but the IP for the tunnel after 100 before in router A is it 100.1. We change in router C is it change with 100.2. The destination from the router C to router A is 10.10.10.1. What the function of interface tunnel 0 is make interface tunnel in router. Then for 100.100.201 is it make IP tunnel we gonna use in two router who have who must use a different IP. Then tunnel search if 0 says 0. This is for make interface. This is a connection to internet or router core. After that, tunnel destination IP a destination who are connected to internet. Is it not IP tunnel from a router? After that, give IP router in router A. Is it IP root? Give IP root, and then give IP root in router B. Is it like this? Is it one? What the meaning of 192 168.1.0? Is it a local network? Then what is it? Is it a subnet mask? Then what is it? It is a gate IP tunnel search IP tunnel router from the router. After that, we give a configuration in IP in PC, PCA, PCB. After that, we check in router like do show run. And then if you do show run, is it you found in here like this, that your configuration already done, and you be already success with your configuration right now. So maybe just that my configuration I like to explain to you guys. So the main point of this configuration is the tunnel destination must found in your router to router. So maybe there's all for my explanation about VPN tunnel from me in WTTS today. Thank you. I give back to the MC. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum. Okay, thank you, Reja, for your nice explanation. Maybe that's all for us for this weekend tech talk session from Reza Berliandra Putra about VPN. May Allah give us mercy. So maybe that's all from us. Thank you very much for your nice attention.